I got some of this Lowry's bacon curls, microwave pork rinds. This video might be a waste of time because I accidentally ordered hot and spicy, and I don't like hot and spicy stuff anymore. It doesn't do well for me anymore. I started getting acid reflux, so I've stopped ordering this kind of stuff and eating this kind of stuff, and now my spice tolerance has just gone down a lot since I quit eating it. But let's try it anyway. Ingredients: pork rinds, maltodextrin, salt, less than 2% of natural flavorings, extractives of paprika, monosodium glutamate, and ascorbic acid. This pack, there are 3.5 servings in this pack. So per serving, it's 80 calories, 6 fat, 6 protein, and less than 1 carb. So times 3.5, you're looking at less than 3.5 carbs, I guess. But you're also looking at, 3.5, 280 calories in this pack. So I'm gonna get this open, pop in the microwave, see what it looks like, see if it's too hot for me. Okay, I just showed you, they're like crackling, they're popping now. The directions said put in the microwave 1 to 2 minutes and to stop it when the bag is fully expanded. But it's hard to tell when the bag's fully expanded, so I just let it go the full 2 minutes. They're still popping. I don't know if something's still... They look like legit pork rinds now. And they definitely smell spicy. I opened the bag, I could smell the spice coming off, so we'll see. These microwave pork rinds, I like them. They're a little bit warm. I like the texture of them. You can almost see through it. Like it's got these little bubbles. I don't know if it's showing it very good. Oh, that is crunchy. I like these. These are really good. I will say, there's no way I could eat a bag of these because they're spicy. They're not going to be too spicy for you if you like spicy, because they're not that spicy for me. But I can already tell some of these have a lot more on them than others. And I think as I eat them, they're going to get spicier. I will say, it looks like, and tastes like a couple of these got maybe overcooked. So you might want to watch it how you're supposed to. I probably should have taken it out of the microwave a little bit earlier. Oh, see, this one has a lot. So this one has a lot of seasoning. Let's see how hot this one is. Not bad. These are pretty good, and not as spicy as I was expecting them to be with the hot and spicy name on them. Oh. I was eating that and it just popped in my mouth. So that was kind of weird. Good stuff though.